Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore the world of e-gift cards, a popular and convenient way to give and redeem gifts. We'll walk you through how they work, how to set them up, and how to redeem them at various retailers and businesses. So let's get started. First, let's discuss how to set up e-gift cards for your business. Head over to your ordering dashboard and turn on the gift card feature. Now that you've enabled the feature, let's configure your first e-gift cards. Head to Loyalty Gift Card. Here, you can add as many gift cards as you'd like. Remember, these gift cards only add cash to the redeemer's wallet. You set the price, and whoever redeems it gets the full amount. Create a cool image for your e-gift cards, like Amazon or Netflix. So, how do customers purchase e-gift cards from your ordering website or customer app? It's simple. First, they should open their wallets and click Purchase Gift Card. Customers will then see the available gift cards that you configured in your ordering dashboard. They'll just provide the recipient's details and send it. The recipient will receive the e-gift card in their email with a code and password to redeem. To redeem the e-gift card, they simply need to click Redeem a Gift Card and enter the required details. Once the e-gift card is successfully redeemed, the recipient can spend the money on their next purchase. The funds will show as Cash Wallet. And that's it. E-gift cards are an excellent way to increase customer loyalty and create effective marketing campaigns for your brand. They're easy to set up, purchase, and redeem, making them a popular choice for both businesses and customers. Thanks for watching.